How to change YouTube channel name on mobile. Now to change your name on your phone is really easy now that the update that they are added to the YouTube app. So let's start by opening up the YouTube app. We want to go to our channel. So in that right corner you will select your profile picture and click on your channel. So in that top right corner you will select your profile picture and click on your channel. From here we are going to select the edit channel, and this is where you can change some info like your name. So we are gonna click that pencil. So the right side of the name, and you can change your name right here inside the app. Click that check mark and then you are good to go. Your name is gonna be updated on YouTube as well as your Google account. Now keep in mind, you can read down here, you only get 3 name changes allowed for 90 days, every 90 days. So keep in that your mind, you are using that spam leaf because you only get 3 of them every 90 days. But once you update that, click the check mark. It's gonna be updated everywhere on YouTube and Google.